Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mira and Rio English.
Hi, everyone. It's great to see you again. How are you today, Mira?
I'm a little tired, Rio, but I'm here.
A little tired. That's perfect, because today's topic is all about that feeling.
Yes, today we're talking about a powerful message. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
This one simple idea can change the way you study, work, and live every day.
So, if you've ever felt tired while learning English, this episode is for you.
Stay with us until the end. We'll share 3 secrets to keep going, even when you want to quit.
And hey, if you like motivational English practice, please take 1 second to click like.
And subscribe to Mira and Rio English. Star.
Let's grow together.
So, Mira, you said you're tired. What does tired really mean?
Tired means my eyes are sleepy, my brain is slow, and my body says, please, Mara, I need a nap.
That's a perfect definition. Yes, tired means your energy is low.
Exactly. Sometimes it's your body, sometimes it's your mind. Pause. You want to stop. You want the sofa.
The sofa. Always the sofa.
Yes, but it's not just physical, right? Sometimes you feel tired inside, like tired of trying.
That's true. You can feel tired even if you didn't run or work. Maybe you studied hard. Maybe you worked all day. Maybe you just feel stuck.
Yes, you feel like your motivation is sleeping too. Pause. And when that happens, many people stop.
But here's the secret. Being tired is normal. Everyone feels tired. But winners, pause, keep going a little longer.
Yes, a little longer. Just one more page, one more step, one more small action.
Pause. And that's where magic happens, between tired and done.
I love that. Between tired and done, that's where growth lives.
Beautifully said.
Thank you. Okay, everyone, now that we understand tired, let's talk about done.
Yes. Coming up next, what does done really mean and why it feels so good? So, we already talked about tired. Now, let's talk about done. Pause. Mira, what does done mean?
Done means finished. The work is complete. The task is over.
Exactly. When something is done, it's not waiting for you anymore. It's off your mind.
Yes, and that feeling, the done feeling, oh, it feels so good.
Yes, tired says, I want to stop. Done says, I can rest proudly.
I like that. When I stop because I'm tired, I feel lazy. But when I stop because I'm done, I feel proud.
Exactly. Tired and proud is much better than tired and guilty.
Oh, that's true. When I stop early, my mind keeps talking. You didn't finish. You didn't try enough. It's not a good feeling.
But when you finish, even a small goal, like cleaning one table, studying 10 words, or walking for 10 minutes, pause, you feel peace inside.
Peace and a little happiness. That's the reward of being done.
Breathe. So the mindset is everything. A tired mindset says, stop now.
A done mindset says, just a little more, then rest.
That's the difference between giving up and growing up.
Ooh, I like that. Giving up versus growing up.
And we grow not when it's easy, but when it's hard.
Yes. So everyone listening, next time you feel tired, ask yourself, am I done or just tired?
And if you're not done yet, breathe. Take one more small step.
One more step. That's how we win every day. Okay, Rio. Let's talk about something real. Sometimes I want to study English at night, but I feel so tired.
Oh, yes, I know that feeling. You open your notebook, you read one sentence, and your brain says, enough.
Yes, my brain says, let's watch YouTube instead.
The dangerous words. But Mira, what do you usually do?
Honestly, sometimes I close the book and go to bed, but then I feel a little sad in the morning.
Because you stopped when you were tired, not when you were done.
Exactly. So now I try something new. I make my goals smaller.
Smaller? Tell us more.
Yes, before, my goal was study 1 hour. Too big. Now my goal is read for 10 minutes. It's small, but possible.
That's smart. 10 minutes feels easy, but after 10 minutes, you're done. You finished your goal.
Yes, and I feel proud. I say I did it, even if it's just 10 minutes.
And when you feel proud, you want to do it again tomorrow. That's how consistency starts.
Exactly. And sometimes when I finish 10 minutes, I still have energy. So I study 5 more.
Bonus points. See, momentum grows once you begin.
So for everyone listening, if you feel tired while studying English, don't stop. Just make your goals smaller.
5 words, 10 minutes, 1 page. That's enough to feel done today.
And when you're done, reward yourself. A cup of tea, a song, a short rest.
You'll sleep tired, but happy. And that's the best kind of tired.
Tired and happy, not tired and guilty.
That's the real progress in learning English. Let's take another example. Exercise. Mira, do you like exercise?
hmm. I like walking, but I don't always like starting, especially when I feel tired.
I understand that. Let's imagine you decide to walk for 30 minutes.
Okay, 30 minutes. I start strong. First 5 minutes, easy. 10 minutes, good. 15 minutes, my legs start talking.
Yes, your legs say, sit down, please.
Exactly. And then I see a chair, a very nice, comfortable chair. The chair says, hello, Mira, come sit with me.
That chair always talks at the wrong time. But what's your goal?
My goal is 30 minutes. I'm only at 15.
So, this is the important moment. The moment between tired and done. What do?
I remember, if I stop now, I'll feel tired and sad.
But if you finish, you'll feel tired and happy.
Yes. So I walk slower, step by step, not fast, just small steps. 20 minutes, 25, 30. Done.
Woohoo! Great job, Mira. How do you feel now?
I'm very tired, but I feel strong. I feel proud.
That's the reward. Now, when you sit on that chair, it feels amazing, right?
Yes, the chair becomes a prize.
Exactly. Rest feels better when you earn it.
So true. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Then rest becomes a celebration. Okay, Rio, now let's talk about something very real. The kitchen.
Yes, the kitchen, the battlefield after dinner.
Exactly. After cooking, I eat. I'm full. I'm happy. And then I see the dishes, the plates, the pots. Oh no.
A mountain of dishes. And your sofa says, come to me, Mira.
Yes. My sofa says, we have Netflix. Forget the dishes.
But what happens if you listen to the sofa?
Pause, gentle tone. Then tomorrow morning, I see the dirty kitchen, the smell, the mess, and I feel sad.
So tired and sad again.
Yes. But if I clean before resting, even for 20 minutes, it's work, but I feel proud after.
That's the power of done. When you finish cleaning, you look around and think, wow, I did this.
Yes. And then the sofa calls again. But this time, I say, okay, sofa, now I earned you.
That's right. Rest is not the enemy. Rest is the reward.
I love that. The rest is the prize you get after the hard work.
So everyone, remember, when your sofa or phone calls you, ask, am I done yet?
And if not, finish that one small job. Then rest proudly.
Because when you finish, you don't just clean the kitchen, you clean your mind.
Done feels peaceful. Done feels beautiful.
And that peace, that's your real prize. So, Mira, we all know the feeling of being tired. But why do we always want to stop?
Good question. Maybe because our brain likes comfort?
Yes, our brain loves comfort. It says, stay safe, stay soft, stay cozy.
Yes, my brain says, stay on the sofa.
Exactly. But comfort, Mira, is not the same as progress. Pause. Comfort keeps us the same.
Ooh, that's deep. Comfort feels good now, but it doesn't help us grow.
Yes, work feels uncomfortable now, but it gives us happiness later.
So, comfort now equals short joy? Pause, work now equals long joy.
Exactly. Pause. When we choose comfort every time, we feel relaxed for a moment, but later we feel regret.
And when we choose to finish, we feel tired now, but later we feel proud.
Proud. That's the real happiness, the one you earn.
So true. It's like we have two voices inside. One says stop, and one says keep going.
Yes, the soft voice says rest now. Pause. The strong voice says finish first.
Smile gently. We just have to listen to the right one.
Exactly. Every time we choose the strong voice, we train our mind to become stronger.
So maybe the real goal is not just finishing work, it's training our brain to be stronger every day.
I love that. Because strength is not built in the gym. It's built in the moments we don't give up.
Emphasize softly. Work now, happy later. That's the secret to growth.
Beautifully said, Mira. And speaking of secrets,
Oh, are you ready to share them, Rio?
yes, the 3 secrets to keep going, even when you're tired.
Okay, everyone, get ready because these 3 secrets can change how you study, how you work, and how you live.
Secret number 1, remember your goal.
When you feel tired, think, why did I start? Why am I learning English?
Maybe for travel, maybe for your dream job, maybe for confidence.
For me, it's to connect with new people, to understand stories, to explore the world.
That's beautiful. So when you feel tired, don't think, I'm tired. Think, I'm getting closer to my dream.
Yes, focus on your why. Your why gives you power.
Secret number 2, make the step small.
Don't think, I must study 3 hours. Think, I'll study 10 minutes.
10 minutes sounds easy, right? But 10 minutes every day makes a big change in 1 month.
Yes, small steps make a big journey. Just like walking 30 minutes starts with one step.
And when you finish a small goal, your brain feels happy. It says, "Good job. Let's do it again."
In secret number 3, the prize.
Yes, reward yourself after the work, not before.
My prize is coffee after I finish studying.
Mine is music after I finish writing.
The prize makes your brain connect work with joy.
Exactly. Finish first, then enjoy. The rest becomes a celebration, not an escape.
So remember, 1. Remember your goal. 2. Take small steps. 3. Enjoy your prize.
That's how you stop when you're done, not when you're tired.
Keep going one small step at a time. You can do it.
And soon, you'll be tired and proud.
You know, Rio, sometimes when I study English, I feel like I'm walking in the dark. I don't see the result yet, but I keep walking.
Yes, progress is quiet at first. You don't see it every day, but it's happening.
And that's why this message matters. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Because every small effort builds your future self.
Even one page, one sentence, one new word, it's a step forward.
And if you keep stepping, one day you'll look back and think, wow, I made it.
So if you feel tired today, that's okay. You're human. Just don't forget your dream.
Your dream needs your energy, and your effort gives it life.
You are stronger than you think.
You're not lazy, you're learning, you're growing. You're doing the hard things that others won't.
And that's what makes you special.
So keep going. One more step, one more try, one more lesson.
We are not alone. We're walking with you. Every word, every episode.
Keep learning, keep growing, keep going. Wow, Mira, that was powerful. I feel ready to finish all my work today.
Me too. And I hope everyone listening feels the same energy.
Remember, don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Thank you so much for joining us today on Mira and Rio English.
If you like this episode, please click like. It really helps our channel.
And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our weekly motivational conversations.
Now we have a small challenge for you.
Yes! In the comments below, tell us one small goal you will finish this week.
It could be studying 10 new words, finishing one lesson, or cleaning your room.
Write it down and then do it. We'll read your comments and cheer for you.
You're doing great. Every small action counts.
Be proud of yourself. You're already growing.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Keep going and stay strong.